Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Finding your account number on the FNB app is super quick and easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the FNB mobile app on your phone and make sure you're logged in with your username and password. If you don't have the app yet, grab it from your phone's app store. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu with several tabs. Tap on the Accounts tab, which is usually represented by a card or wallet icon. Step 3. You'll now see a list of all your accounts with FNB. This might include your checking account, savings account, or any other accounts you have. Each account will display your account name and a partial view of your account number. Step 4. Find the specific account whose full number you need. Tap directly on that account to open its details page. This will show you complete information about that account. Step 5. On the account details page, scroll down slightly and you'll see your complete account number displayed prominently. You can take a screenshot, write it down, or simply read it from your screen. That's all there is to it. Your account number is now right in front of you and ready to use whenever you need it.